Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll introduce you to Microsoft Teams, a powerful app for work and school, and show you how to use it to communicate and collaborate with your team. Let's get started. Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration app from Microsoft that brings people together for chat, video meetings, file sharing, and teamwork all in one place. It's used by business, schools, and groups to stay connected, organize projects, and work remotely. You can chat one-on-one or in groups, hold video call, schedule meetings, and work together on files like Word and Excel without leaving the app. Now, to get started, download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, then search Microsoft Teams on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and install your app. Once installed, open up your app and sign in with your Microsoft Work, School, or personal account. Then at the bottom, you'll see tabs like Activity, Communities, Calendar, and Chat. The Activity tab shows notifications, and Chat is for private or group messages. Then Communities is for your teams and channel, and Calendar shows your scheduled meetings. Now to start conversation, tap on Chat tab at the bottom of your page. So tap on that, then tap on New Message, and then type your message, then files, GIFs, or emojis. To join or start a meeting, tap on a calendar icon to see scheduled meetings, or click Meet Now to start instantly. During meetings, you can video chat, mute, unmute, share your screen, and use chat to work with teams and channels. Teams are a group of people, and channels are conversation spaces inside teams for different topics. Post messages, share files, and collaborate in channels. You can also customize notifications in important chats and integrate apps like Planner or OneNote. Using Microsoft Teams makes remote work and learning much easier and more organized. So that's a quick guide to Microsoft Teams and how to use it for communication and collaboration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.